welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I know it's after so long. I am on my Malaysia trip, and today I got a big chance to take some video, and we are in Langkawi Island right now. So this is 9 a.m. It's in the 9 a.m. in the morning, and we just came to have some breakfast. Let's see how is the breakfast here in Langkawi Island. This is the restaurant we stopped by. It's called Katan Renjang. Masakan Thai and ikan bakar. I really don't know. Okay, but the food is really good here. Yeah. So here they have this some sweet. This is fried chicken, and then they are making egg roti. This is egg roti, isn't it? Egg roti.
Roti egg with onion.
With onions. He's cutting the onion.
Roti banana one.
You're making roti banana also?
Customer.
Customer, okay. This is Malaysia. They doing different types of roti, and let's see how
Nasi
she
lemak
makes.
ada. Nasi lemak. Pulut ayam. Roti ada.
Roti banana.
Boleh kena sana ada roti sana.
Here
Sini
customers
kena
are
makan sini
all
tak boleh.
waiting, and yeah.
Duduklah sini. Masak. Minum ada, nasi lemak ada.
Egg roti.
Banana with
Yeah, I mean this is
nasi
banana
lemak
roti.
ada, tu roti ada. Masak ni masak. Kat khao dah.
This is banana, and then I think she's adding her egg also. Egg also? And butter.
Butter and egg
And butter, right? Yeah.
Để bé ăn cày rón để ăn một chiếc thác rón.
Very nice breakfast.
Rồi bỏ một chiếc cày thácเอาไปอุ่นนะเราจะกินแต่แม่กินเลยป้าตัวบ้างล่ะ
And what is that? What roti is that?
Roti with onion, egg with onion.
Egg.
For you too.
Okay, two.
Two for you. This one banana. Banana with chocolate.
Yeah, so we're gonna have then one roti with banana, one roti with egg and onions, and then one roti java. What is it? What was that?
Roti jala.
Jala.
Roti jala.
Roti jala.
Roti jala kira Pak ya?
This is
Jala kira?
Just sitting here. Hi everyone. Hi Zoya. This is my sister. This is Alisa. Hi. Hi Alia. And
You're spinning it. You're spinning it. Okay, hold it, hold it. She's spinning.
egg roti. And this is our breakfast here.
Yeah. Masih?
Which one is this?
Roti telur bawang.
Roti telur bawang.
Telur meaning egg, bawang meaning onion.
So it's the egg with onion. This
Is the same?
This also
No?
same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Egg with onion. Who are you eating egg with onion?
I'm eating egg with onion. First time.
First time.
I'm just gonna try it.
Try
and
and
tell you how
say
it is.
how it is. Nice, tasty.
So I think the roti and the egg are mixed together, and there are onions inside this. Which I
Yeah.
like.
It's tasty with the curry, right? The gravy is nice. What Alia will eat? Banana roti? Roti canai, plain roti canai.
What would you
What
like?
Muiz will eat? Muiz has his milk here.
Boys will eat everything that
See?
comes in his way.
And what Alisa will eat? Alisa also will eat roti canai, plain roti canai.
With water.
Ooh, Baba. Oh. Yes, he said I already ordered. I have my own. This is my favorite. Hey guys, so we just finished breakfast, and the breakfast actually not so good, but it's fine. The roti canai was a bit oily. I think she put too much butter on it, and it was fine. It was nice. And Moses here crying and saying he don't let me talk. I think he just saying no matter what, my order is always the best. Right? Okay, yes, I agree with you. Anyway, thank you so much guys for joining us for breakfast. Thank you very much. I'll try, if I can, I will upload more videos if I get a chance, but if no, I will see you next month. I'll start my usual videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.